Automatid AI is a brand new software that promises to streamline your workflow with cutting-edge AI technology. If you're curious about how this software stacks up against the competition, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete picture of what Automatid AI can do and if it's worth your time. Stick around because I'll also reveal how you can try Automatid for free. First off, Automatid AI is all about simplifying the process of automating tasks across multiple platforms. It integrates with everything from CRM systems to email marketing tools, social media, and more. What sets Automatid apart is its clean, user-friendly interface that makes setting up automations a breeze, even for beginners. You don't need to be a tech expert to get up and running quickly. Now, Automatid's machine learning engine is one of the software's standout features. It's designed to analyze your past actions, learn from them, and improve how it automates your workflows. Essentially, the more you use it, the smarter it gets. This means that over time, you can expect a significant improvement in the efficiency of your tasks, all while saving time and cutting down on manual effort. But what makes Automatid AI truly unique is how it personalizes the automation experience. Whether you're a small business owner or an entrepreneur, it tailors its solutions to fit your specific needs. It doesn't just slap on generic automations. You'll be able to set highly customized workflows for things like customer follow-ups, lead generation, and data syncing across apps. Another major advantage is how it handles multi-step workflows. You can set up detailed processes that span multiple tools and actions. For example, you can trigger an email response based on a customer's behavior or automatically schedule a follow-up call after a lead signs up for a webinar. The flexibility here is key, and Automatid really stands out by allowing you to design intricate workflows that save you time and boost productivity. When it comes to pricing, Automatid AI is extremely competitive. There are multiple plans available to suit different business sizes, from solo entrepreneurs to larger teams. The good news is you can try Automatid AI for free using the link in the description below, so you can get a feel for how it works without any commitment. It's always a good idea to test a software before fully diving in, and Automatid makes this easy with a no-risk trial. One thing you need to know is that while the software is incredibly powerful, there is a learning curve. The interface is simple, but unlocking its full potential will require you to spend some time setting up custom automations. However, the learning process isn't overwhelming, especially with the resources and tutorials that Automatid offers. Finally, I have to mention how reliable the customer support is. The team behind Automatid AI has really nailed this aspect. They offer responsive chat support, extensive documentation, and even video tutorials to help you make the most of the software. This is a huge plus when you're dealing with any automation software, as tech issues can sometimes arise, and it's reassuring to know help is available. If you're looking for an automation tool that combines ease of use with advanced features, Automatid AI is definitely worth considering. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this one stands out as a solid choice for anyone wanting to boost their business efficiency. Make sure to check the description below for a list of other recommended AI software you can try for free. You don't want to miss out on these tools that could completely change the way you work.